Looks like it's doing a pretty good job. Oop, there's a couple kernels on that one. Looks pretty alright. You don't see a kernel. Gosh, there's not a kernel anywhere. Got the grain cart out here, and the wife confiscated the combine from me. I asked if she could give me a hand. So we run the grain cart because that holds the 2 wagons worth of corn. That way she can keep combining while I'm emptying wagons. Swinging the auger out. There he comes, with her unloading into the wagons with the 40,000 that's in the cart. I will not empty the cart, but it works nice because on the field we just stay here on top of the hill. That's roughly the halfway point, and so she'll combine. So she comes out, swings out, dumps, picks the row back in, runs to the next end, down and back, and it works really well. Oh, baby. You always hope you remember to shut that gate, don't you? You know, I gotta say, I've been very happy with the Easy Trail cart. It's treated me well, and for the money, it's a hard value to beat. Oh boy, now we're big time. Now we're big time. That's how the big boys do it. Maybe I need another combine to empty into that combine, to empty into the grain cart, to empty into the wagon. That's how the real people do it. Oh, I'm missing an opportunity here. That goofy Zach. Gonna get you, buddy. Gonna get you. Woo! He's such a dork. Well, there we go. The first field basically done. There's one, maybe one wagon left over there, 300 bushels. We got the grain cart full, so when trucks start showing up, we can fill the truck with that as well. And so I'll get that tarp over there. We'll get them 2 wagons in the bin, and we'll go grab the V-rake and make a few windrows and grab the baler.